Here's a look at the Husky 3-ton low profile floor jack with quick lift. Ordered this off of the Home Depot online store. Came in about 3 days. Here's what it looks like. So they've already helped me open the box here, so that shouldn't be too difficult to do, and then we can take the jack out and we can maybe try it out today. 1 year limited warranty, 360 swivel saddle for solid load contact, ball bearing swivel casters for easy jack positioning. Easy installation. We just have 2 parts of the handle and just the jack, so it doesn't look like it's damaged in any way. We'll go ahead and put the handles together, and then we'll see what it looks like. Here's a comparison. Here is a 2-ton jack, and there is the 3-ton Husky. Big difference. Here's a look at the 360 saddle here. Just stays in one position. Let's look at the front wheels. The 360 caster wheel. So the 2 pieces of the handle are held together with the screw right here. Handle is in place. Let me show you how I put it in place. There's a set screw here to hold the handle in, and to remove the handle, just unscrew that and lift it straight up, and that's what it looks like there. Okay, to use it, I'm just going to set it back in there like so. Now you can actually use it without setting the handle or without tightening it in place there, but we'll go ahead and tighten it up. So I'm just tightening it or moving it clockwise, the whole handle. That allows me to start jacking. And then to open or to release, just turn it counterclockwise, the whole handle. I'm measuring about 4 foot 3 inches from the top of the handle to the bottom of the jack. The lift saddle here looks to be about 4 inches and a quarter. About 10 and a quarter inch from end of the wheel to the other end. Full length of the jack. It's like about 2 foot 26 inches. And about 15 inches across, wide. Weight of this is approximately 80 to 100 pounds. We're going to check the lift height right now. We're at 3 inches. Okay, so the box here says 19 3/4, and really it's about at 20 inches there. Check the mobility here of the jack. Since the jack is brand new, I'm not going to be bleeding it. But if I do start using it and pumping it up and it feels like it's weak for some reason, I will take a look at that. To bleed the jack, there's a cover right here. It's held on by 2 Phillips head screws on each side. Underneath the cover, and maybe you can see it from here, there's a Phillips head screw right there between those stickers. Just loosen that fill screw. Then put your handle in place, turn your handle counterclockwise and start pumping it several times. That will purge any air out of that fill screw there. Once you've pumped it several times, then just tighten the screw back in place. As far as greasing the jack, there is a grease fitting right here. You can put your grease gun on that and just pump your gun until you see grease coming out around here. I'm going to try the jack today on this 1963 Mercury. This car off the assembly line was 38, almost 3,900 pounds. So with all the junk that's on it here and inside, it's well over the 4,000 mark or 2-ton mark. So I'm going to try to lift it up so that we can get the tire off today. Now I've rolled it underneath here, and this is why we need a low profile jack here. So I don't know if I'll be able to get to it from here. Let's take a look. Looking good so far. But as you can see, even though it's low profile, I'm not able to get it underneath where I really need to support it at. So we're gonna go at the front up here. Okay, we're gonna go right there. I will be using the jack stand, so try to make room for that. All right, turn it clockwise. It's closed. So we can go up just a little more here. Right there. Something like that, I think. Okay, very good. If I had my other jack stand here today, I'd be able to put it underneath there, lower the jack, and be able to take this wheel off here. So let's go ahead and open it up here and let it back down. Well, I guess that'll be it for the 3-ton low profile floor jack with quick lift from Husky. I think the jack is going to work just fine for this big car and for any car that we do own. Should work fine as well. Again, that's the Husky. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it's been helpful. Until next time, have a great day out there and take care.